6 things you should do regularly to reduce the risk of diabetes. Diabetes is one of the most common lifestyle diseases in the world. India is among the top 3 countries with about 64.5 million people affected by diabetes till last year. Moreover, it has been predicted that diabetes will be the 7th largest killer in the world by 2030. Diabetes is a chronic disease with no known cure, and the medication available only helps in keeping the blood sugar levels as close to normal to avoid other health complications. But you should know that you can reduce the risk of diabetes by taking certain preventive measures. Simple lifestyle measures have been shown to be effective in preventing or delaying the onset of type 2 diabetes. Maintaining normal body weight, engaging in regular physical activity, and eating a healthy diet can reduce the risk of diabetes. Here are 6 tips to help reduce the risk. Lose excess body fat. Being overweight is a big risk factor for diabetes. In contrast, every kilogram of weight lost reduces the risk of diabetes by 16%. Adopt a healthier lifestyle as opposed to going on diets or starving the body. Small lifestyle choices go a long way in controlling weight and maintaining long-term health. Follow a balanced diet. Eat a variety of fruits and vegetables, lean protein, and good sources of fat. Foods to avoid are those rich in trans fats, processed food. Complex carbohydrates are rich in fiber and are not highly processed like refined carbohydrates. They take longer to digest and hence provide a sustained source of energy for a longer duration. Keep yourself hydrated. Studies link sugar-sweetened beverages with obesity and diabetes. Cut them out of your diet and the risk of both elements falls. Drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water every day. Eat lots of fruits and sip decaffeinated herbal tea to keep yourself getting dehydrated. Physical exercise. Physical inactivity raises the risk of diabetes. Exercise renders cells more sensitive to insulin. Brisk walking does the trick. Low-intensity exercise done constantly over a period of at least 35 to 40 minutes, 5 times a week, should be more than enough to keep your body in shape. Over-exercising on high intensity comes with its own problems like joint tissues, lower protein mass in the body, as well as muscle fatigue, especially when you are overweight. Once you drop some of the pounds, you can be introducing strength, flexibility, and endurance training. Make sure you do that with a trained and certified coach. Stressless. The stress response triggers the release of several hormones that increase blood sugar. Studies show that mindfulness meditation improves the ability to cope with stress. Physical activity and social support also help relieve stress. Sleep well. Chronic sleep deprivation and poor quality sleep increases the risk of diabetes and obesity. Try to establish regular bedtimes. Make sure you get enough sleep. 7 to 8 hours is ideal. Not getting enough rest not only affects your body, it influences how well you work and how much you enjoy life. Diabetic-friendly fruits to manage your blood sugar. Diabetes mellitus (DM), commonly referred to as diabetes, is a chronic disorder. It occurs when the pancreas does not secrete enough insulin or when the cells of the body become resistant to insulin. In either case, the blood sugar cannot get into the cells for storage, which then leads to serious complications. Diabetes, perhaps more than any other disease, is strongly associated with the Western diet as it was uncommon in cultures consuming a primitive diet. Here are some diabetic-friendly fruits which helps to control your blood sugar. Pomegranate. Pomegranates contain the richest combinations of antioxidants of all fruits and can protect you from free radicals and chronic diseases. So, feel free to enjoy these red peels with such powerful phytochemical compounds. Grapes. Grapes modulates the blood glucose response by affecting how the body secretes and uses insulin. Hence, grapes are a good choice keeping its nutritional profile in mind. Resveratrol and phytochemical found in grapes. Apples. Diabetics should feel free to eat apples. In fact, apples along with blueberries and grapes are especially beneficial for reducing the risk of type 2 diabetes according to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition. Strawberries. Strawberries have low glycemic index, hence it's slowly released in the bloodstream as glucose. It can also improve immunity, has cancer-fighting ability, and increases metabolism, which in turn helps you lose weight. Guava. It is a great snack for diabetics with a low glycemic index. Guava is very rich in dietary fiber that helps ease constipation and can lower the chance of developing type 2 diabetes. Watermelon. The high potassium content makes watermelon one of the best fruits for proper kidney functioning, which in turn keep your blood uric acid levels on the lower side. This prevents kidney damage, especially if you are diabetic. Also, diabetes can cause nerve damage, but lycopene found in watermelon really helps reduce the effect. Papaya. Natural antioxidants within the fruit make papaya a great choice for diabetics. Diabetics are prone to many elements, including heart to nerve damage caused by irregular blood sugar levels. A diet incorporating papaya can obstruct future cell damage for a better and longer lifespan. Oranges. The flavonols and phenolic acid found in oranges have shown tremendous protective abilities, especially in diabetics. When it comes to glucose metabolism, citrus fruits not only slow glucose uptake but also inhibit the movement or transport of glucose through the intestines and liver. Being a diabetic should never stop you from eating fruits. The key is to eat a wide variety to keep your body toxin-free, benefiting from their important role in detoxification. Say goodbye to diabetes forever with two ingredients, natural home remedy. Diabetes is a common health condition that appears when the body is no longer capable of making the needed amount of insulin or cannot use it in an effective way. Pancreas is the organ that produces the hormone insulin, which enables the glucose takes from the food to go to the cells in the body, and there it is transformed into energy used by different tissues and organs in order to perform their job. But on the other hand, people who are diagnosed with diabetes can also live their life without any complications. And the reasons for this are good treatments that can improve your life. But not everyone can afford good medical treatments, and for some of them it is quite irritating to have to inject insulin every single day. Here you can get natural ways for treating diabetes, and you will discover the most efficient, 100% natural, safe and costless treatment for diabetes. You will only need two basic ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. Ingredients: 1 lemon, celery roots, cup of water. Preparation: first, wash the celery roots. Cut it into small pieces. Add celery pieces into mixer and add water. Add lemon juice and blend the mixture. Strain the juice into a glass. Now the diabetes-free juice is ready to drink. If you feel bitter, you can add 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetened taste. This is the recipe for this amazing syrup for treating diabetes. Consumption: it is recommended to drink every day about 30 minutes before having breakfast. Follow this process for 1 week and check the blood sugar levels. Continue this juice daily to say goodbye to diabetes forever. Acupressure points to cure diabetes. Acupressure is one of the natural ways to cure your diabetes and has been sought after over allopathy due to its healing properties by using body's own energy. Diabetes is of two basic types. Type 1, where the pancreas in one's body does not produce enough insulin to digest sugars, and Type 2, where the cells become immune to the insulin and thus do not digest sugar that's outside the blood. Either ways, blood sugar levels are affected, giving result to a lot of adverse reactions in the body, but the good news is diabetes can be controlled to a large extent, if not totally cured. Acupressure is an alternative treatment to cure various diseases. There are hundreds of acupressure points in our body. By putting physical pressure on the right acupressure points, one can not only relieve the stress and tension but can also get rid of various diseases including the blood sugar. Acupressure is helpful for both the pre-diabetics and the diabetics. Acupressure along with healthy diet and herbal blood sugar management medicines can help. Following acupressure points can not only help relieve the pain for the diabetics but can also help to prevent blood sugar. Wrist hand. This acupressure point basically lies near the wrist. The side of the wrist where the little finger of your hand lies, the right side of your wrist on your left hand, and the left side of your wrist on your right hand is where this point lies as shown in video. Massage and apply acupressure on this point every day before your meals for 5 minutes, which will control your diabetes automatically. Feet. There are specific points on the feet that control problems like hypertension while treat diabetes as well as insomnia. This acupressure point lies on the front side of your foot, a little before your largest toe and the second toe. Apply pressure under the big toe with the help of your fingers. Since it is hard for you to do this alone, ask a friend to help. The pressure points under the big toe will help in giving a long-term relief from blood sugar. Pressing this point for 2 to 3 minutes every day will help relieve symptoms of blood sugar. Repeat on both feet. The acupressure points will help you manage diabetes symptoms by managing the metabolic process and maintaining the insulin level. Mild pressure exertion on acupressure points along with proper diet and exercise improves metabolism and insulin levels.